Hi guys, so we are at Cradley Heath Station level crossing in Greater Birmingham with Joe and Callum 5.
I'm sorry about all the lens wiping, guys. Bang, bang.
Now, the time is 10:59 on Friday the 24th of July 2015. This is for, look, stinky dog.
Oh, God.
This is for our 11:03 1-2 Victor 18 London Midland service Whitlock Centre Worcester Shrub Hill, and our 11:04 2 Sierra 30 London Midland service from Starbridge Junction to Stratford upon Avon.
Good enough. Yeah.
Let's get the unfortunate upgrade. It's got a twisted light, look. Look at my camera quality. Just when I upload it, it's just different.
Yeah.
My camera quality.
Mine's fine when it's not got raindrops on it. Excuse lens wiping again, guys. Oh. Yep, we've got platform 1 first.
Calling at Old Hill, Rowley Regis, Langley Green, Smethwick Gorton Bridge, the Hawthorns, Jewellery Quarter, Birmingham Snow Hill, Birmingham Moor Street, Spring Road, Hall Green, Yardley Wood, Shirley, Whitlock's End, Withall, Earlswood, The Lakes, Wood End, Dansey, Henley in Arden, Wootton Rowan, Wilmcote, Stratford upon Avon Parkway, and Stratford upon Avon. This train has 3 carriages. The Lakes, Wood End, Dansey and Wootton Rowan are request stops, and passengers for these stations should ask the conductor on the train to arrange for the train to stop to allow them to alight.
Thank you, Anne. You'll be starting off again in a
The
moment.
next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 11:03 London Midland service to Worcester Shrub Hill, calling at Stourbridge Junction, Hadley, Kidderminster, Droitwich Spa and Worcester Shrub Hill. This train has 3 carriages.
And that's Anne. Which we got first then? Nope. Nope. Any minute now should be at Stratford upon Avon. I'm just going to step in the shelter. Nothing. Yeah, Mum, where are they? Should be here by now if I hadn't already announced them. 2.5 tick. Oh, it's 172333, my stalker! Oh, God. Lovely to see you again. 172333, my stalker. And it's 172335? Yeah, very funny. 172333 with 172. With 172335. Welcome aboard this London Midland service to Worcester Shrub Hill. It just had to be 335. And 333, sorry. There goes 172333, my stalker train to Worcester Shrub Hill. I'll probably be seeing that later. Hooray. And goodbye and good riddance, train. Goodbye and good riddance. As long as I don't see 222.
Hey?
As long as I don't see 222. Yep. That's the 2 carriager. That ain't gonna ring.
Are you ready?
Here she is. So 172335.
335.
Which does not have its destination board on, which is for Stratford upon Avon. One 72335 for Stratford upon Avon. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.